you.
Okay, I would trust the dog.
You would probably slip and smash your face. Oh, there's a boat way over there.
I thought somebody saw.
I'm feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down.
Hey, we're Richard, Carma, Brooklyn, Braeden, and Acacia. We love to explore and share life as a family with all the adventures along the way. We hope to inspire you to chase your dreams by joining us in our crazy RV.
One thing that I have learned driving down Highway 17 in Ontario is that when you need to stop or take a look at something like a tire or whatnot, there's not a lot of places to do that. The roads are, just a 2-lane highway with some passing lanes, and the turnouts and everything that they do have on the roads, there's no warning whatsoever that you're going to have the opportunity to pull over, and it's just boom and you're by, and that's that. There is a couple little sort of picnic spots, and they do give indication about those. However, often they're not big enough for big rigs. So Ontario transportation, if you need some help, some consultation, give us a call. We'd love to help you out. There'd be some beautiful spots where you can make things significantly better.
Robert!
Dad, you have to open it like that.
What's happening in here?
We're eating
Lunch.
Don't have the heat on.
No, it's cold.
I'm too hot. I would
What?
turn the
It's
air
like 2 hours and 20 minutes to the KOA.
Yes. Good. Here.
Bye.
Good, they're all leaving.
Look, they're climbing over the edge.
No! I still want them alive.
We are about an hour north of Sault Ste. Marie, and they finally have a pull-off that you can actually pull off with the camper at this lookout, and we have an unofficial path all the way down to the water. It's raining a little bit.
Whoa, this is so cool! Like a big...
Ah, someone's underwear again! I come across underwear! On a tree! Come this way.
Oh, I got a phone.
Every time I take a hike somewhere, I find someone's random underwear. Like, how does this happen? How do people lose their underwear?
They don't. They take it off.
You don't want to know.
Swim.
Just had a poo and had to get rid of it.
Oh my gosh, those are underwear.
Or shorts.
Someone got they're under men's underwear. Someone got really hot.
Hi! Hi!
A little bit harder getting up than going down.
That's true.
I actually missed the rain because it hardly rained all summer. And so this is kind of nice.
It's not bad. It's not raining too hard, so.
Yeah.
Ready to go?
Whatever road I'm taking, whatever dream I'm chasing, I wanna be with you. It don't matter how I, as long as you're by my side, I wanna be with you. There's so much more this life has in store. Yeah, I wanna go with you. Wherever you go, wherever you go. It don't matter what the distance, it doesn't make a difference, you know. Oh, 'cause I wanna go.
All right, guys, there we go. Cal Tire here closed at 5 o'clock, which is in like 2 minutes from now. And half an hour ago I brought them the tire. Since it was off, they're like, well, I guess we don't have time, but we'll make it work, and they fit it in for us. So sweet, we are good to go. Tire is done. I'll have to put it back on myself, but at least we've got it fixed. We can continue on and no problem. So we're in Sault Ste. Marie right now. It's a little bit foggy out, but other than that, it's pretty beautiful. I think we might head down to the boardwalk.
Is there a brown pigeon? Hey, buddy. Are you trying to blend in with your buds?
Here, boy. He's a little skinny.
Oh, you scared? On the Sault Ste. Marie. And what's across the river?
Yucky places.
No, the United States of America.
Welcome to Sault Ste. Marie.
Mom, look how much the water's running.
Yeah, well, it's a river. Look at all these rocks here.
I know.
Look at that super fat black pigeon.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you need to paint a rock and put it here. Probably don't have any paint.
I was saying is that we should paint a bunch of rocks
Yeah.
just with our crazy RV.
Yeah.
And put it in each campsite we stayed in.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you had that idea before.
I know. Swiss cheese.
Well, I can't remember the name of the bridge now. You can see the big bridge that goes between the US and Canada. I remember it cost $20 million to build it or something like that, but
What a waste. They could have gave that
they
to
built it
me.
over top of 3 active shipping lanes.
Wow, Braeden.
Yes, you need $20 million. You would use it wisely.
I would.
Here's the game.
Oh, there's a Peppa Pig one.
Peppa Pig.
Dad, use your phone. I need to send it to Thomas.
This is for Thomas.
Dad, I need to take a picture. And then what?
Send him which one?
This summer. Oh no, this one. Oh yeah. I am a rock star. Here's another one.
Did you do this turn?
I can't see
Oh, why?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We just started walking. We don't know where we're walking to. There's visitor parking over here. I guess we could have drove.
Oh, Richard. We'll wait for you to go around. Yeah.
I think you could see the locks in here.
What locks?
I'll show you what a lock is.
Yeah, I know what a lock is.
Okay, what's a lock?
It's something that locks something.
No.
Oh.
This is a lock. So
Oh.
they have 2 gates in a ditch basically, and they open the one side, the boat drives in, then they fill it up with water, then they open the other side and they can get out.
How does the boat drive in with no water?
See, the lakes are at 2 different levels. So lake number 1, let's say, is high, and lake number 2 is low, and the boat has to get from the high lake down to the low lake. So to do this, they use a lock.
Geese.
See, it's right over there actually. That's the lock.
Hey, look, there's a dead fish.
Yes!
Score!
One free fish.
You would never eat that.
So there's a lock. So this red thing is the door, and it'll close.
What is that weird thing?
And you
Is that
see it's
measurement?
closed on the other side. and then they'll pump it up full of water, and then the boat will be the right height to go across on the other side.
And that's the Daddy, and that's the measuring thing.
Yes.
Down there.
I'm not sure what these buildings are, but they look pretty old. This one, not so much.
Oh, this
Well,
one
it's-
just looks like it's recent.
Yeah.
Well,
The other ones have that
the
old
roof looks old, but
rock style.
that roof looks old, but the siding looks new. Yeah, it
That
looks
is
really
correct.
pretty.
I don't think they had this camera in the 1700s.
Yeah. Oh, now you can see people coming across that bridge.
Okay, see how though this is all high?
Like
And this is
before,
low?
Was that like a waterfall? Oh, you can't go out there.
I think before, right over here, you can see the water over here.
Yeah.
That's where the rapids are, and they go through what I assume is the hydroelectric dam.
Yeah.
And so then what they did is they would have cut this channel through here and put a lock in so the ships can step down. None of this was planned. This is all just, ooh, a shiny thing. Another shiny thing. That's how you find wonderful, beautiful things sometimes. Like this woman.
Oh my gosh.
There's some big anchors.
Stop, I'm trying to read.
The stone on these buildings is so cool. Brooklyn could have a house that looked just like this. They stay home and make ammo.
So this thing goes up and down in here.
Yeah, they close the other gate and this goes up and down.
Why is it
Hey buddies!
Hi! Wah, wah. I love their feet. There's a jam.
Beware of wildlife on trails. If there's a moose on here, I'm going to be
Okay,
shocked.
which way should we go?
Left.
So much nature here. Oh my day.
It's almost getting tropical.
Yes, because we're almost in the United States.
I can feel the Florida heat already. What happens if we accidentally walk into the US?
I don't know. Oh, look at Jackie.
Ah, the old Folgers can in the tree trick.
That's not a trick.
Sure it is. Look at it.
Skate shop.
You can see the top of a big ship right there, right in front of
Oh
us.
yeah, see it moving? See that thing right there? It's got like black with white and red stripe. That's the top of the ship.
I see it. All I can think of is I can smell fish. It's just Harry and Marv. He's just like, smell that, Marv. It's like, yeah, fish.
Smell that? Yeah. You know what that is?
Fish.
It's freedom.
No, it's fish.
It's freedom. And it's money.
Okay. It's freedom.
Nope, that's freedom. I'm pretty sure that's fish. Nope, that's freedom. And then he leaves like, smells a lot like fish.
So this is the US, like right there. If we
Yeah.
crossed over, that would be the US.
Oh, so we can just turn around and go back this way.
Just need to get our RV across.
Yeah, there's the US flag. It's just not flowing.
This one's cool.
It's very cool.
You've been down this road for far too long. He left your love behind, but still you keep on crawling back despite the pain inside. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and you'll see the way I see. 'Cause all that I want is for you Your tears, they say 1,000